MLA konong krem konstituensi wa Ardent melal besayamaj hakasngi bakhadu jongko darbar mang tangka jongko sarkar cela ula dawaru nak sarkar cela lang bakit nat kampo ying beki day banshim kecingkit kle nak benta kecing sya setjap jong ba cheris tefil thank you house nam archar apwe bamkwai hadwaru blay bat lukren set bat lukren pershiru dak baong bakane kecing le jongko sarkar cela kalong betik kum ko cing sya penyap ikiseng lakno kabakan tup yakiseng HNLC bat ka ANVC
HNLC and ANVC were at its peak. So how can we believe that the same police force who can neutralize these dreaded militants in the state and are responsible for bringing back normalcy to the state of Meghalaya will not be able to arrest the former General Secretary of the HNLC alive, especially when he was at his sick bed, sir. The people of Mawlai, the family members of late Chesterfield, till today, they are still awaiting for justice. You have tabled the report on the floor of the House. What action has been taken as a following up to the report? Sir, I don't have any doubt that the police of Meghalaya can deal with this issue easily. They have received medals after medals for their excellent performance. And who will believe that the police will not be able to arrest late Chesterfield? Thank you, alive. Who gave the order to eliminate late Chesterfield? Thank you. Those who are at the helm of affairs must take the responsibility. If the government cannot come out clean on this issue, remember that the blood is in the hands of MDA 1.